Метем лапти в макраме. Метем лапту. Виталик он кушает уже.
Что-то мне надоело рыбу ловить. Надо какое-нибудь другое хобби искать. Да, Васильевич?
Да.
Jeff and I just caught a tuna on jig, that thing. So money well spent at night. Everybody's asleep. We're just finishing up and going to bed. It's kind of nice right now. The sea is calm. There's a breeze. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that guy is fighting a shark for about the last half hour or something. Yeah. All right. Good night. Hey Ken, say hi. Hey boys.
What's up, brother?
That's my main man right there.
Lines, guys. Reel in that middle one, please. Wait till he comes up.
Just hold it.
From here?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah. Stinks. You got him coming out of a hole too.
Him? Mr. Pirate? Yeah.
Are we taking it or are we?
Whatever you want to do. You to throw it away? We're going home. Trawling on the way back. I got 2 tags left, so perhaps we get lucky to fill them out. Beautiful weather. Very nice trip.
Селедочка. Пескарик.
Вот она!
Hell yeah. Alright, alright. That's a nice yellow eye, brother.
Thank you.
Bro, chill out.
He really chugged it down.
Юру зови, посидят.
Виталий, спускайся по воде. Не, серьезно?
Давай меняемся.
Виталя идет, Виталя идет. Виталя, хватай.
He says he's about to pass it if you guys want to find some people to reel on this.
На, снимай.
Go. We gotta pass fast, guys. What? You're on the leader. Yeah. Then pull it out. You want to grab it?
What's that? It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Coming in like a dart.
Yeah. Little bath.
Yeah. Jeff is reeling in something. And we're dealing with this clusterfuck.
I've got something.
Yeah. You done? That's how you do it. That's the way to do it. You have to be like 22. Возьми, сними меня.
Да, включено. Включено она, ну-ка.
Big fish.
Fucking, I just walked away.
We're going back home. So that cooler is empty. Hey, you lost the tag over there.
We find the owner. Rosie.
Is that just one full cooler?